what we got under our package? All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unenveloping video. Today was something from Charlie's Custom Clones. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items at Charlie's Custom Clones. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And see how we can get this open really quick. So they did include a manifest, and let's see what we got here. We have the item itself I ordered, and we got a whole bunch of extra add-ons here. So let's see, we got a SUREFIRE sticker, we got a Charlie's Reticle sticker, we got a Charlie's Reticle coaster, and then we got another Charlie's sticker there. So very interesting. And then the item itself, in this case, we just ordered just to see how this works out. This is a flash hider. This is actually very close to the A2 profile. This is the SF for SUREFIRE A2 556 half by 28. So that's your threading right there. And fits M4, M16 AR variants, mount for the BFA 556. And it is a suppressor adapter. And see a few icons here to boast some of the features and a little bit more information on SUREFIRE. Let's open this up. It's just a blister pack. And let's see. Item is between two of these foam sponges. They also give you some rock set in case you actually do that. You can see the threads are nice and clean. Here's this very familiar 5-vent profile there with the closed bottom or closed Tine style. Little SUREFIRE logo, SF. And you can see there also the part number there. Very nice. The flats, and here is where the suppressor would mount and lock onto this little lug right there. And then this would go onto the end of the barrel, muzzle end, and your suppressor would then go over this and lock into place. So I thought that was pretty interesting. But see what else they include here. Looks like an inspection mark, the instructions, and you can see here a few other models there too. They did include a caution, so that's important. Make sure we hold on to that. And then you have actual instructions for install clocking. You know, here's your clocking chart, and combination of shims included to get the item clocked where you would want it to be. But these are all that were included with this order. SUREFIRE SFA2 556 half by 28 flash hider, and a few extra items from Charlie's Custom Clones. This has been another unboxing or unenveloping video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos in the channel. We also do show and tell videos, do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.